Students, तो पिछले क्लास में हम लोगों ने पढ़ा था हाउ टू प्रिपेयर पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट, only the meaning and concept and format also. In last class we had discussed partners capital is to be prepared by how many methods. That we had studied there are two methods, fixed capital method and fluctuating capital method, right? तो आज हम लोग उस फॉर्मेट और कॉन्सेप्ट को यूटिलाइज करेंगे, मीन्स यूज करेंगे उस कॉन्सेप्ट को, और उसके बेसिस पे आज एक न्यूमेरिकल क्वेश्चन हम लोग सॉल्व करेंगे। आज हम लोग जो स्टार्ट करेंगे न्यूमेरिकल क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करना, वो फिक्स्ड कैपिटल मेथड के अकॉर्डिंग पढ़ेंगे। तो स्टूडेंट्स, आप लोग अपने नोट्सबुक अपने पास रख लीजिए। नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू start the numerical question and solutions. But before solving the question, we must read the question carefully so that we can understand what has been asked in the question, what is to be prepared, and how the calculation is to be made. Okay, so now see, this is the question in front of you on your screen. Here it is saying that there are two partners, partner X and partner Y. So X and Y are partners in a firm, and following balances appeared in the books as on 1st April 2017. So students, I will say again, just read the question carefully, then we people will be able to solve the question properly. I'm going to repeat. X and Y are partners in a firm, and following balances appeared in the books as on 1st April 2017. So here, there are balances of capital account and current account as well. This means what? We have to prepare the capital account by fixed capital method. Okay? Because current account is also given. So here, capital account having the balance of X 2,50,000 and Y is 1,80,000. As you know that capital account always having the current credit balance when capital is fixed. Now current account. So X having the current account balance of rupees 5,000 credit, and Y having the 30,000 opening balance debit. As you know that in last class I have taught you all people, current account may have debit or credit balance. So both may be credit, both may have debit, or someone having the credit and someone having the debit. So here X having the credit balance and Y having the debit balance, right? Further it is saying on July 1st 2017, they decided that their capitals should be rupees 2 lakh each. So now, mind it, this line. Earlier their capital was 2,50,000 and 1,80,000. X and Y having the opening balance of capital 250 and 1,80,000. But here it is saying that on July 1st 2017 they decided that लोगों ने decide किया कि अब उनकी capital कितनी होनी चाहिए, 2 lakh each. It means X का 2,50,000 है तो 50,000 withdraw कर लेगा from capital, और Y का कितना है 1,80,000, तो वो 20,000 और additional capital लगाएगा. Okay? So I have taught you all people कि capital account can be changed only in case of additional capital and drawing from capital. So here is the both condition. Now the necessary adjustment in the capitals were made by withdrawing or introducing cash. तो कह रहा है जो एडजस्टमेंट करना है कैपिटल का 2 लाख रुपए ईच, मतलब सबका 2 लाख होना चाहिए, तो इसके लिए कोई पैसा विड्रॉ कर सकता है या इंट्रोड्यूस कर सकता है, एज द केस में भी। अकॉर्डिंग टू द पार्टनरशिप डीड, इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल इज अलाउड एट 8% पर एनम। वेरी गुड। यहाँ पर आपको इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल भी कैलकुलेट करना है, जैसा कि मैंने बताया था इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल जनरली ऑलवेज कैलकुलेट ऑन ओपनिंग कैपिटल। तो हियर यहाँ पर कह रहा है कि ओपनिंग कैपिटल तो ये बीच में चेंज हो गया, तो उसके अकॉर्डिंग हम लोग कैलकुलेट करेंगे। X is to get an annual salary rupees 4,000. X को 4,000 रुपए एक साल में सैलरी मिलती है, and Y is allowed a monthly salary rupees 800. यहाँ Y का मंथली है, तो उसको भी एनुअल में कन्वर्ट करेंगे 12 से मल्टीप्लाई करके, राइट। आगे कह रहा है it was found that Y was regularly withdrawing his monthly salary, यानी Y ने जो ड्राइंग किया है मंथली अपनी, वो जितना उसको सैलरी मिलता था वो अपना विड्रॉ कर लिया, यानी कि जितना उसकी सैलरी आ रही है उतनी ही उसकी ड्राइंग भी हो जाएगी एक साल की। आगे कह रहा है द मैनेजर ऑफ द फर्म इज एंटाइटल्ड टू ए कमीशन ऑफ 10%। किसका 10%? ऑफ द प्रॉफिट। कौन सा प्रॉफिट? और एनी एडजस्टमेंट इज मेड अकॉर्डिंग टू पार्टनरशिप डीड, यानी कि इनको नेट प्रॉफिट का देना है, क्योंकि नेट प्रॉफिट ही जो बिफोर एडजस्टमेंट ऑफ दिस थिंग्स होगा, क्योंकि नेट प्रॉफिट से हमें सैलरी, इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल, कमीशन देना होता है, सारी चीजें, तो ये सब देने से पहले का जो प्रॉफिट होगा बोल रहा है बिफोर, तो बिफोर प्रॉफिट ऑलवेज नेट प्रॉफिट ही होता है, तो नेट प्रॉफिट का इनको 10% देना है। और किसको देना है? मैनेजर को। जैसा कि हम लोग जान रहे हैं कि मैनेजर इज नॉट अ पार्ट ऑफ पार्टनर, नॉट अ पार्टनर, सॉरी। तो जब पार्टनर नहीं है तो ये एक एम्प्लॉई है, और एम्प्लॉय को कोई भी पेमेंट हम लोग कौन से अकाउंट में दिखाएंगे? प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट में, न कि प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस एप्रोप्रिएशन अकाउंट, राइट। तो इनके लिए जो भी देना है कमीशन, इनको प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट में देते हैं। पहले देखते हैं प्रॉफिट है कितना। लेट मी सी। हियर यू कैन सी net profit for the year ended on 31st March 2018 before charging interest on capital and salary was rupees 80,000। मतलब आपका 80,000 जो है, इसमें से ना तो सैलरी दिया गया है ना फिर इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल, इसी प्रॉफिट पे हमें 10% कमीशन मैनेजर को देना है। प्रिपेयर द प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस एप्रोप्रिएशन अकाउंट एंड पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट एंड करेंट अकाउंट। एप्रोप्रिएशन बोला है लेकिन पीएल अकाउंट नहीं बोला है, बट इट इज अंडरस्टूड दैट कि मैनेजर इज, if we have to pay the manager's commission, so we need to prepare profit and loss account first. Okay, so profit and loss account for the year ended 31st March, और हम लोग by profit for the year यहाँ लिखेंगे, यहाँ PL account नहीं, क्योंकि itself ही PL account है। Profit for the year is 80,000. Now 10% of 80,000 will be 8,000. So to manager's commission, 10% of 80,000 will be 8,000. Okay. तो मैंने दे दिया। अब हम लोगों का जो नेट प्रॉफिट आएगा मैनेजर कमीशन देने के बाद बचेगा फाइनल नेट प्रॉफिट। तो 80,000 माइनस 8,000 इज इक्वल टू 72,000। You can see here. Okay. Students, so now you can see from 80,000 you will subtract 8,000 first, and remaining amount will be what? Remaining amount will be 72,000. Okay, this one is 72,000. It will be called net profit. Called net profit, right? Because this profit has come. This is called net profit. After minus 8,000, this is coming. So as you know that in profit and loss account, when we find the net profit, so net profit always be transferred to profit and loss appropriation account, right? Student, I think this is clear why we are preparing here the PL appropriation account, sorry, profit and loss account, because manager is to be given a commission. So manager's commission to be given in profit and loss account. I think I already have told you all people what kind of items are to be shown in profit and loss account. Even interest on partner's loan will be recorded in PL account. Rent to the partner will be recorded in PL account. Okay, and interest on partner's capital in case of charge against profit. So we record in PL account. So you should remember, you should learn. Not every time we need to tell, just you have to remember. Then you can solve the question. Okay, students. So now we come to the profit and loss appropriation account. Okay. Okay, students. So see here. Now profit and loss appropriation account. So today we are, as I have told you all people. Today we will discuss or resolve the question of partners capital account. So first we do prepare profit and loss appropriation account, then we prepare partners capital account and current account as said in the question. So profit and loss account we need to prepare earlier because manager commission was to be given. Now after giving the commission to manager, the remaining amount will be called net profit, and this net profit will be transferred into PL appropriation account by writing as by profit and loss account, right? It is 72,000. And now what is said in the question? It has been said that partners are entitled to get to get interest on capital. So X will get interest on capital and Y also will get interest on their capital. So interest on capital earlier we had recorded in interest on capital to X capital and Y's capital, but here we have written current account because in this question we are maintaining the fixed capital account. So in case of fixed capital account, always we record all the incomes to the partners in the partner's current account. As already I have taught you already. So interest on capital we will write and transfer to X current account and Y's current account, right? So X current and Y's current. So how it would be calculated? You know that if there are fixed capital but they have decided to change their capital in between of the accounting period. So see here I'm taking you to on the calculation. See here calculations of interest on capital. You can take a screenshot also of this so that you can calculate it later on. Interest on capital. So you know that X has opening balance of capital 2,50,000 and later on it has withdrawn. Why? Because both have to maintain 2 lakh rupees each, right? So yeah, 2,50,000 into 8%. To 8% for how many months? Or how many months? So you should remember that if they have used this capital up to 30th June because from 1st July they have changed. Both partners have changed from 1st July. So before 1st July there will be 30th June. 30th June now you calculate from 1st April to 30th June how many months they have used. So April, May, June, 3 months. Okay. So on 2,50,000 into 8% for 3 months. If we are calculating for X interest is coming 5,000 on 2,50,000 and Y's interest is coming 1,80,000 into 8% for 3 months. So 3,600. Okay, this interest we have calculated for 3 months, first 3 months. Now after 3 months, yani from 1st July, both have changed. Both have changed how? So X capital has become 2 lakh and Y's capital also has become 2 lakhs. As you know, both partner has to maintain. Means X ने 50,000 withdraw कर लिया और Y ने 20,000 add कर लिया. तो यानी कि अब 1 जुलाई से इनकी कैपिटल 2-2 लाख हो गई. तो X का 2 लाख into 8% from 1st July to 31st March will be 9 months. Okay, so for 9 months we calculate the 12,000 is coming of X. And like that, likewise, Y 2 lakh into 8% for 9 months. So it is coming 12,000. So now we add this for 3 months, first 3 months, and next 9 months. So 12 plus 5, 17,000 is the interest of X, and Y's first 3 months 3,600 and last 9 months 12,000. So total it is 15,600. Okay. So student, I think you have understood why It has been calculated for the first 3 months and 9 months, because 3 months they have used the 2,50,000 and 1,80,000. After 3 months, from 1st July, they have used 2 lakh each. So we need to calculate accordingly. Okay. So now you can see in the PL appropriation account. Yes. So 17,000 and 15,600. So 32,600. Right? अब कह रहा है कि सैलरी, तो एक्स को सैलरी जो देनी है वो 4,000 पर एनम देनी है, एनुअल सैलरी, तो डायरेक्टली 4,000 देंगे. बट जो वाई ने सैलरी मिल रही है, वाई को 800 पर मंथ मिल रही है. तो 800 पर मंथ का मतलब क्या होता है, देखो मैं यहाँ कैलकुलेट करके दिखा देता हूँ. 8 वाइज सैलरी is equal to 800 into 12 will be 9,600. So now you have understood how it has come 9,600, right? So यहाँ पे क्लियर हो गया. अब इसके बाद आपको देखना है कि और क्या देना है. तो यहाँ पर भी देखिए सारा करंट अकाउंट में हम ट्रांसफर कर रहे हैं, बिकॉज कैपिटल इज फिक्स्ड. So after that, I think there is nothing in this question. Only interest on capital and salary is to be given, and the remaining profit will be called divisible profit. So net profit is 72,000, and 32,600 is the interest on capital. 30,600 is the salary. Now we add these two items and will subtract from 72,000. The remaining amount will be called divisible profit. You can see here from this is what you can see, this is what net profit, okay, and this is what interest on capital and salary. So these both two items we will subtract, okay. So हम लोग यहाँ पर देखिए क्या कर रहे हैं कि उसको subtract कर रहे हैं. 72,000 minus 32,600 minus 13,600. We will get 25,800. So this will be called, okay. So this will be called divisible profit, okay. So or hence it will be distributed between X and Y. Profit ratio, which is 1:1 in this question, because profit sharing ratio is not given in the question, or if it may be given equally. That's why the 25,000, if no profit sharing ratio is given, so it will be equal, otherwise equal would be given in the question. You can see by scrolling back. So